So look at, Venezuela or
Yep.
Argentina or Turkey, where the bad money crowds out all the good money because people are so desperate to have money or currency. And so the reverse Gresham's law would be that ultimately people say, I want real money. I want good money. So there's a guy, Murray Stahl. He runs a firm called Horizon Kinetics in New York, and he speaks very eloquently. I always joke, he makes me look like the biggest Bitcoin bear on the planet. I mean, I think I'm pretty bullish, but he makes me seem bearish because I think we replace gold easy, which, is a $400,000 Bitcoin price.
Uh-huh.
And I think we can go even beyond that. He says, no. We replace all money, which is, $86 trillion of market cap, which
Damn.
is a much, much higher price.
Mm.
And it's possible. Now, it won't happen overnight, but it's certainly possible.
So do you think it's easy? Do you think it's easier then to talk to like your clients and the people that you handle and help, diversify their portfolios to actually sell them on, hey, instead of buying gold, buy Bitcoin? Like, do you see that right now in today's world easy?
Crypto change again, great question. And the facts back you up, right? If you look at gold ETFs, they have negative outflows this year, and the Bitcoin ETFs are wildly positive. It's exactly what's happening. So if you think about, our traditional client, I came from the traditional world. I managed endowments, then I managed money for individuals and pension funds, and now I'm a late in life venture capitalist and digital asset guy. Why? Well, because I saw the light, right? I saw the Bitcoin light, and I understand that blockchains are the next evolution of computing. And there's this great book I've been recommending called, Read, Write, Own by Chris Dixon. And it explains, everybody's freaking out about AI. AI is a tool. It's existed for 75 years. It's perfectly fine. It's perfectly good, but it's not a platform for computing. Computing, GPU, CPUs, GPUs, now blockchains. Blockchains are the new format of computing. So
can I add something?
Yeah.
Can I add something too? Because we know gold also has like use in semiconductors and, conductivity, right? And then Bitcoin is, as you just said, is a different version of this, electronics.
No. See, Will, that's a really important point, and I'm glad you make that clarification, because when I say it replaces gold, and this is very important, I mean it replaces the monetary value of gold. And that's a really important point, because when people talk about gold, they talk about 12 trillion of gold above ground. Half of that, as you correctly said, is industrial uses, jewelry, collectibles, chalices. Those don't count. It's the 6 trillion of gold bars in Fort Knox and China and Russia that they're backing money. Because you think about it, all of the money all the currency in the world sits on top of gold. Central banks own gold, and then they issue currency in their home countries, their fiat, based on the reserves of that gold. And they use debt to back it. And so to your absolutely to your point, the monetary value of gold is half of that 12 trillion. So 6 trillion. So a $6 trillion market cap is about a 5x from here.